US conducts strikes on Iran following drone attack in Strait of Hormuz. The United States has conducted strikes against Iran, saying the action was in response to a drone attack on a cargo ship in the Strait of Hormuz a day earlier. The US Central Command (CENTCOM) said its forces targeted missile and drone launch sites as well as coastal radar installations across Iran overnight. The strikes came shortly after US President Donald Trump told reporters at the White House, "One will find out if there will be consequences for Iran's violation of the ceasefire agreement." Meanwhile, the British military said on Thursday that a container ship was struck by a projectile off the coast of Oman just hours after Iran warned vessels against using the route. The United Kingdom Maritime Trade Operations Centre said no injuries were reported. The International Maritime Organization or IMO has also suspended the evacuation of stranded ships following the attack on the commercial vessel near Oman. The International Maritime Organization said evacuation operations will not resume until there are guarantees that other ships can transit safely without being attacked. Thank you for listening. Thank you for watching. Thank you, everyone. Bye.